Can a computer from a Jew be successfully repaired? Its model is a 1990. The fault is that it can't boot. The board number is 820000841A. Connect the test power supply. The ammeter shows only about 0.14 amps, fluctuating back and forth. Based on our previous repair experience, it's likely that the standby circuit is faulty. After careful observation, there is no sign of water ingress. After checking the vulnerable components again, the surface of this charging boost chip has been burned with a small hole. It seems that the problem lies on it. Place the motherboard on the repair stand. Remove the surrounding protective stickers. Heat it to remove the damaged chip and process the pads. Find a new chip of the same model and solder it directly. Install the bald good chip back to the motherboard. Just push it slightly. Make sure the welding is okay. Restore the protective sticker. Then connect the ammeter again for testing. The current has gradually jumped from standby to about 1.2 amps and then drops back to 0.9 display current. Connect the screen for testing. Confirm that you have entered the user interface.